Finally, your Google's AdSense is arrived. Yan.
Thanks, God.
Congratulations, Greg Mix Vlog. Unboxing. Unboxing.
Unboxing.
I-unbox mo. Unbox. Unbox.
Ito na. I open it. Mami, ganito ba talaga siya?
Sige, para tumagal. Dahan-dahan. Slowly, slowly. Unboxing, Greg Mix Vlog, AdSense.
Hala. Ganito ba talaga?
Yes, slowly.
Wow! Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, YouTube. Finally, Greg Mix Vlog, AdSense arrived. Pagaya gamatan umabuti ko ah.
Ayan na.
Dua nga minuto. May pakpakita yung numero. May pakpakita yung numero. May pakpakita.
Surprise!
Yehey! Kahit na ikaw naman, brother. Yehey!
AdSense!
AdSense. Basta kagdo pa lang, ano yun ko ah.
Yes, the AdSense is opening. Now it's finally open.
Sige, ilang minuto na lang. Yehey! Greg Mix Vlog.
Nabuhay ang loob ni Greg Mix Vlog for long time waiting.
Okay, lahat pa. Ayan.
Hindi ka man tingin ni Joshua dito.